Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine, doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of your clutch and of your necklaces. You know that it's a very new video of your clutch, so I hope that you like this video as well. So first of all, subscribe to my channel, give liking and sharing my videos on my channel as well, and keep sharing my videos as usual. You are supporting me. Keep subscribing my channel and keep keep supporting me also. So we all know that a clutch is a mechanical, not that mechanical which engages the power of transmission, especially from driving as well. So you know that it's a very new video, so please subscribe to my channel, and it's a very new video for you. So if you are interested in my video and if you are enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my videos. And the modern purse clutch pouch or handbags come about in English during the industrial revolution and part to the increase in travel. Okay, so we all know that the purse relation are too, so if it's any bigger, even the slightest tip more let you bring in it, and I think that has to be equally valid as well. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my videos on my channel as well. Essentially, the clutch bag is a small flat handbag, we all know that, without handles or straps. However, here are larger bags with a tough handle or the silly straps, which are also described as your clutch bags as well. So please subscribe to my channel for more of this, guys. As I've told you before, all about the history of your clutch and what exactly occurred, what exactly a purse is, or what do you know about a purse. So please subscribe to my channel for more new updates. If you're interested in my video and if you're enjoying this, subscribe to my channel. And how could you describe a purse? Okay, we all know that here are some adjectives of battery: overnight, small, overnight, long, squalid, waist dilated, and carry on. We all know that. So we all know that we can define as a clutch, as I've told you before. So please, clutches are small bags without handle strap, as I've told you before. So what is a small a clutch? Is a small handbag designed to hand or carry it under your arms as well. So if you're interested in my video and if you're enjoying this, subscribe to my channel for more new updates. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, in next video. So take care. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon. Bye bye, and please stay home and save lives as well. Please, it's a request, guys. Subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon. Bye bye.